Okay, question 1. A signal generator produces sounds from a loudspeaker. Which property of a sound wave should be increased in order to make the sound louder? Now, when you see a sound wave on a loudspeaker, even though it's a longitudinal wave, the waveform you're going to get, hold on one moment, it's still going to be the kind of transverse shape with the rest position here. Now, the amplitude is this height here from the maximum displacement to the rest position. Oh, I don't know where that wave's gone. 1 second. Now, if you want to make a wave louder, sound wave louder, then you need to make the amplitude go up. So the answer after that is amplitude. Which property of the wave should be increased in order to make a higher pitch sound? Well, a low pitch sound is going to look like this. A high pitch sound is going to look like this. Okay. At least if we're dealing with a wave where we've got displacement against time. Now, if we want to make a higher pitch, we've got to squeeze those waves together and make sure there's more of them in the same amount of time. And that means we need to increase the frequency, which is the number of waves in 1 second. Sound waves travel as longitudinal waves. Other waves are transverse. So give an example. Well, surface water waves are one example, but most common things we're looking for is light or any other electromagnetic wave. So that includes gamma rays, X-rays, ultraviolet, infrared, microwaves, radio waves. Any of those electromagnetic spectrum waves are transverse. And then they ask you to describe how the vibrations of longitudinal waves and transverse waves differ. So you've got 2 marks here, so we're going to give 1 mark for explaining for longitudinal waves and 1 for transverse. Now we need to be very clear here that in the longitudinal waves, the vibrations, okay, occur parallel or in the same direction to the direction of the wave. Or instead of the direction of the wave, you could say the direction that the energy is being transferred in. Now, if you're saying that something is parallel, you need to say what is parallel to what. So in this case, I'm clear here, the vibrations are parallel to the direction in which the wave is moving. Okay, so I need to have really these 3 key parts in my description. When it comes to transverse, we're going to write almost the same thing, except the vibrations are not parallel. Okay, the vibrations are perpendicular or at 90 degrees. So I'm going to write the same sentence. I'm again going to say the vibrations occur perpendicular to the direction of the wave.